The Expert Series is brought to you by Draw It Paint, the dry erase paint company that allows you to create the exact space you want. Our products are designed for performance, engineered for durability, and manufactured for quality. Draw It Paint's 3 formulas will allow you to reach every possibility. Behold your best work.
A chance to come out here to see life outside the strip, because most people, they think of Las Vegas, they think Sin City, gambling, all of the negative connotations that come along with that. But I actually got to visit outside of the strip and saw it's a real community. It was up and coming, it was growing, and what initially brought me out here was becoming, at that time, an aspiring entrepreneur. And so just saying that it was a potential hub where so many people came to come and visit, I just looked at that as an opportunity. And so, like I mentioned, bought a one-way ticket, borrowed $500 from a friend at the time. I had a garbage bag full of clothes, and I have not looked back since.
Now, you call yourself an aspiring entrepreneur. What kind of different business ventures did you partake in when you first started?
Oh, wow. You name it, I've tried it. Everything from trying to start a music label, a manager in the music industry, a barber. I actually started a mobile barbering company at the time. What else did I attempt to start? And because I had just kind of learned what entrepreneurship was at that time, my whole goal was just trying not to have a boss. So it really wasn't one particular thing that I was focused on. I can tell you, though, when I first came in aspirations of being an entrepreneur, I initially was in a network marketing company. And that is how I initially came out, was because they wanted me to come into an untapped market, at least for our particular industry at that time, and kind of be the face and head up the team building that we were looking at doing. And that just kind of morphed into looking at other forms of entrepreneurship. And so that's why I always use the word aspiring back, 14 years ago.
Mm-hmm. It's really interesting that you say that you didn't want a boss anymore, because a lot of the experts we've had are in the real estate industry, and they kind of break that mold of having the typical 9-to-5 with somebody to report to. Do you think that's the trend of where the business world is headed? Just being your own boss and taking charge of your own career?
Yeah, and I think that, social media has kind of glamorized and made it even sexier to be your own boss, for lack of better words. And I think the biggest thing that why people kind of gravitate to that one is you see the freedom. Now, they may not think about the other things that come along with it, meaning when you don't have a 9-to-5, you don't have a guaranteed paycheck. There's no one telling you structurally, hey, you have to do X, Y, and Z Monday through Friday. So we don't understand the other side that comes along with entrepreneurship. But yes, it's definitely been a lot more glamorized to say you're an entrepreneur, or say you own your own business and all of those things, which is ironic. I'm actually writing a new book titled Full-Time CEO, The Shit They Don't Tell You. So I really want to go and do a deep dive to give people an understanding that, trust me, it's extremely rewarding being a business owner, an entrepreneur, a CEO, but the things that are not glamorized on social media, in books, on television, I wanted to put that into a book.